everybody, it's Patti and Debbie from Print and Pixel Studio, and we have some kind of exciting news to share. We have had a lot of our viewers in our Ko-fi shop ask if we had a membership program set up, and as of today we have not, but we decided that we would set one up, and it's going to be very simple. It's only going to have one tier. It'll be $5 a month, and our members will receive one digital kit every month and 20% off all the items in our Ko-fi shop. And then during the month, we're going to have what we're calling pop-up surprises. So there'll be little surprises that we won't have announced or anything. They'll just pop up in the shop, and there'll always be something that I'm sure you'll like to have and that you can download as a member. So we're going to start that today, Monday. So if you're interested in it, hop on over to our Ko-fi shop and check it out. And this is the first kit that we're offering. And it's a real cute little pattern with kind of a denim background, textured denim background, florals and bird. And there's 5 papers, 8.5 or 11 by 8.5 in this kit. And this is an example of what you get, or this is what you get. And then there are 6 tags. Now this tag can be used as a tag all by itself, or we actually designed it as a reverse of the other tags. So if you wanted to back any of your tags with this backing piece, it's designed in reverse so it'll fit perfectly on the back of any of the tags, and you don't have to do a lot of trimming or anything. And then you get 3 little fussy cuts. And here are the other 2 tags that come in the set, and you get labels. And this label we made a little oversized because we thought it might be a cute little tag. You could use it as a little tag popped in a little pocket somewhere or something like that. But anyway, so this is what your first month kit will be. And then there'll be a new kit every month. And like we say, pop-up surprises during the rest of the month. So we hope you'll join our membership and check it out over at Ko-fi, and we'll see you there.